Good evening. October 7, 2021, the day I remember, Thursday, I was comfortably going to my home from office. Suddenly, don't know why, I thought, why not to go to Toastmasters, which I'm planning for a long time. I was at the CB road and I just turned towards Sri Talwar. And I came to Toastmasters on that October 7th. And now I'm still coming over here, meeting by meeting. So fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, this is me, Junaid Hassan, now a Toastmaster who is at his last level of dynamic leadership pathway. Definitely, it was not what I thought on 7th October 2021. And not only this, that I joined Toastmasters, I also became part of the upcoming XCOM after that. And that was a staggering moment for me, that I was elected as Vice President Public Relations. I was in office, got a call from someone who was elected as our last president of CA Toastmasters Club. That is Muslim. He told me, Junaid, we are thinking about you to become our VP PR. I said, no, not at all, no chance, because I don't think so that I'm fit for this role. He tried to convince me, but I refused. After I hung up the call, I thought for the next 5 minutes. I thought what I'm fearing about. What's my fear? Fear of failing? Fear of not being able to perform as per the requirements of VP Public Relationship? What else? So what? Let me go learn and then fail. No issues. But at least I learned something. I thought for 5 minutes. Then I called back and said, okay, if you guys have thought it, although still I don't believe it, but I'll accept this. Then I became VP PR of CA Toastmasters Club for the term July 2022 till June 2023. 1 year. We had our first meeting, XCOM's first meeting, in which it was again a staggering meeting that went on. And we decided that we have to perform at least better than the previous XCOM. So we had made a few rules. We discussed about our public relationship, where it is and where it should go from now. We thought about few events that would happen during our tenure, our term, and for which we have to have relatively better, good, and try our best to have as best as possible public relationship, marketing, advertisement, whatever you say. What we did, we made few rules. Like, we even thought about how a message should be communicated on WhatsApp, in different groups. And we thought that we should provide link of our Facebook, link of our LinkedIn, because these two are most famous, so that people could also visit our pages and look at other activities that are available there. They should like our pages and comment over there. Everything done on any pages actually become noticed by the algorithm of those softwares. So definitely it would help us out to reach more and more audiences. We just started in July, and then the first big event that we had was going to be an annual conference. And that annual conference named Together Towards Tomorrow. Triple T, TTT, Together Towards Tomorrow, was going to be something unique in the history of Pakistan's Toastmasters clubs, because there was no conference ever held previously. We started from that, and it was a huge success. I'm not saying only because of the PR that we did, but because of the quality, because of the staggering efforts that we put in there. After the conference, what we did for next 1 to 2 months, we were having on every other day a picture, somebody receiving first prize, somebody receiving second prize, somebody receiving third prize, somebody receiving a participation certificate, and memento being given to the honorable speaker or guest, whatever. So we lined up everything on Facebook and also on LinkedIn. So this is how we tried. And then we had many events that were held in December 2022 and then in January 2023. And we kept on doing what we could do. However, as you know, wherever you are, for a longer term, you always have some ups and downs. So we also do have. Like, I am short of staff, short of team, and I have to put in a lot of effort. But a leader has to come out of different vulnerable situations. What I do, this is what I do. However, I am happy that as a lead in this role, I have prepared at least 2 guys who can perform just like me. They can handle this. And one of the guys is sitting over here, Shadib Khalid, and he's doing a phenomenal job. And I would motivate you all, try to grab some role in which you could learn something new and apply it. It would not only help you in that role, but also it would keep helping you in your professional personal lives. So this VPPR role is still with me, and I would complete this 30th June. I'm trying my best, or maybe more effort needs to be put in from my side, and I'm still motivated to do that. And with this, I would hand over the charge back to Toastmasters.